How to crack Wi-Fi passwords with aircrack-ng on Kali Linux tutorial. First, open your virtual machine using Kali Linux operating system. Second, you open the root terminal. Third, put your network adapter in monitor mode using airmon-ng start WLAN 0. Then kill the processes that may interrupt the attack using airmon-ng check kill. Now start monitoring the nearby Wi-Fi networks using this command, aerodump-ng WLAN 0. Then stop this process after you find the network that you want to crack by pressing Ctrl-C at the same time. Then copy the Wi-Fi BSS ID, then type it in the command that you see on the screen. Which is aerodump-ng -C, whatever channel you're looking for, then -BSS ID, put the BSS ID number that you copied, and then -W, wherever you want to save the file, WLAN, and then the last part isn't necessary, but you can copy that if you wish. Then press enter. Now open up another root terminal and send DAuth package to everyone using that network. That will force the users to get knocked off the network, and once they connect back to the network, we will capture the three-way handshake that we need in order to crack the password. Use this command, airplay-ng-0-0-A, whatever BSS ID number you copied, WLAN 0. Now it's sending the DAuth packets, knocking people off. We just wait and hope we can catch a handshake. Boom. Right there. We got the handshake now. Stop the processes of the DAuth and the monitoring by pressing Ctrl-C in both of the terminals. Now we just have to crack the handshake and receive the Wi-Fi password. Using this command, aircrack-ng, the handshake file that you saved previously, -w/usr/share/wordlists/rocky.txt. Now this is a word list with 14 million passwords, known passwords. So what it will do, aircrack-ng will cipher through all of these 14 million passwords until he finds the right one. Strong passwords will take a lot longer than weak passwords. This could take a very long time, depending on how strong the password is. For this tutorial, I've set the password to something fairly easy with only lowercase letters, which proves to be easy to crack within a matter of 3 minutes in real time. It's going through the passwords now. I think it says I'm at 400,000, and boom, we cracked the password where it says key found, wigglebutt, and wigglebutt's our password. So now we can sign into that Wi-Fi and continue with other attacks.